Baha'is believe that unity creates peace, happiness, well-being, and safety. We believe that unity is created by friendship, kindness, togetherness, and understanding. Baha'u'llah wrote, "So powerful is the light of unity that it can illuminate the whole earth." So the more friendship, understanding, and kindness there is, the more unity there will be. And so, the more happiness, well-being, and peace there will be in the world. To help us on our journey, Abdul Baha, Baha'u'llah's son, said, "Let your heart burn with loving kindness for all who may cross your path."